Update on the Mercedes-Benz truck. Been cutting out everything at the back here and welding in new light areas. Put this light area in. I must just weld finish, work it all down nicely, complete this side, recouple up lights and stuff. I've also cut out the toe which it's sitting it deeper in, it's got to come further back to the back here for towing the trucks, so I've still got to loosen up. I've got to clean up and finish the painting inside here. I've already cleaned up quite a bit inside here and red oxided it, so it's starting to look presentable. I've cleaned up on the sides here, on the chassis, and red oxided that as well. This is slightly bent off here, but it's such thick metal I can't get it all nicely bent straight. And the same on this side, cleaned and red oxide this side. So I can get the rest of the work done. I must just do the rest of it at the back here. I've still got to grind off all these areas over here that they've welded so badly on, and then go over this back area here where she's got little rust marks. Complete it, prime it, finish, paint it white. This I have to decide what I'm going to do here to repair this, to get it looking neat again. So this is just a short video on what I've been doing. I've taken all the body putty off the roof at the top there, and red oxided at the top there. I want to get the dent puller and remove that dents, but still a bit of work to do on it before the finalizing work. These over here is a scrapyard in Swartkops. They've got 2 of these for me, so I'm going to go fetch those 2. Window winder is also there. Truck is running, but I need to get some of this work done that I'm doing on it, so I can take it out and go carry on with work on it. But other than that, I'm doing little bits at the weekends because I'm working during the week and I'm alone working on this truck. I've still got to finish up the Tollabaki, that I've got to do. My Corolla in the garage I've got to do, and Uno in the garage I've got to do. But the truck is the first priority now. That's all now. Please subscribe and like if you like.